Hey there, welcome back, my incredible peeps.
Today, we're diving deep into a topic that hits close to home: now precious oral health.
I'm bursting with excitement to spill the beans on something extraordinary, so buckle up for the ride.
Ever faced the struggle of battling tooth and gum issues? Fear not, my friends, because I've got the inside scoop on a dental superhero called Dentitox Pro.
This isn't your run-of-the-mill dental care, it's like having pure magic in a bottle.
Drawing inspiration from the rich oral health traditions of Africa.
Now, let me hit you with the best part: Dentitox Pro isn't just making grand claims.
It's got the backing of extensive research, grafted with the finest ingredients, and processed in FDA-approved facilities. Talk about a triple threat. But wait, there's more. Let's chat about the real deal, the reviews. Dentitox Pro is rocking a solid 4 out of 5 globally, with users singing praises about smoother, stronger teeth and flashing brighter smiles like they're on a red carpet. But hey, let's keep it real, a few skeptics had their reservations.
No worries though, with a 100% money-back guarantee, why not give it a shot?
Just steer clear of those online tricksters and snag your Dentitox Pro straight from the official website, complete with free shipping. Talk about a win-win. In a nutshell, Dentitox Pro isn't just a game changer, it's a superhero without the nasty chemicals. It's your ticket to a mouth that's not just healthy, but screaming freshness, standing tall against those sneaky cavities. This isn't your average supplement, it's the cream of the crop. I'm not just saying this, I genuinely recommend it for anyone battling gum issues or simply aiming for top-tier dental care.
If this nugget of wisdom hit home for you, spread the love, hit that like button, share the magic, and drop a comment.
And seriously, if you haven't subscribed yet, what in the world are you waiting for? Stay glued because more jaw-dropping reviews are coming your way on this channel, your one-stop shop for all things amazing. Huge thanks for tuning in. Legends, catch you in the next episode.